What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here outside of a thrift mart. It's a small little mom and pop thrift store. We're gonna head inside, see what we can find to buy and sell on eBay and Amazon. And then shooting range? Sweet. Right next to the thrift mart. Gun sales, clothes sales. Maybe we'll find a gun in here. Probably not. I doubt it. Highly doubt it. All right, let's see what they got. All right, walking inside, sale on these things, and we got some free books. Ooh, love to see that. Anything cool in here? Bill O'Reilly, Culture Warrior, okay. The Force of Destiny, Page Master coloring book. Oh, that's actually kind of cool. Oh, is that not even colored in? It's from 1994. Oh, it's not. Oh, that's neat. Well, we'll snag that. And what's this? Pleading Guilty. I don't know about that. Okay. And the Three Princes. Very cool, very cool. We'll snag that for free. And then there is a lot of different media to go through here. Let's see if we find anything neat here. I wonder what the prices are. Where are the prices? Over here? No. Over here. Here we go. DVDs, $1. Books, hardcover, $1. Paperback, 50 cents. That is a good deal. Let's go digging. Alright, look at this. Superman Masterpiece Edition. $50. It was $30. They raised it to $50. Not a toy. Okay. We'll have to look that. Oh, it was originally only $65. Not sure why it's $50. But let's see what's in here. Oh, it's kind of cool. We'll look that up in a second. Every once in a while, you could hear the gunshots in here, which is kind of funny. You'll just be walking around and you hear pew, 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 next door. Oh, we have a brand new sealed Carcassonne for $4. Yeah, I'll take that. That's not bad. What else? We got a Pez. Oh, a brand new sealed Catan for $4. Yeah, I'll take that also. That's sweet. Oh, we also have a Lego Star Wars that looks brand new. Okay. Yeah, let me grab all this stuff down. This is super cool for $5. I love it. You could tell it's straight out of the 90s. The only thing is there's some water damage along the bottom there. It's kind of a thick piece of wood and you can see all the water damage. Such a shame. For $5 though, something about the aesthetic. It's just reminds me of what would be in an arcade somewhere. I freaking love this. I did find a few more games. Say Anything for, I think it's $2? Yeah, $2 right there. Star Wars Risk for $3. And a brand new sealed Harry Potter puzzle. And that's 20. So 20 bucks. I think puzzles are half off, so it's only $10, but that's pretty cool. So all of the children's movies and books are only 25 cents, which is a really good deal. Looking through, and the ones that don't really fit, Fahrenheit 9/11 and 300, those I think I put in the wrong place. I found some cool ones though. We got a Barney Let's Go to the Farm, Barney Let's Go to the Zoo. Look at this, Puff the Magic Dragon. That is old school. That's crazy. I might just be getting that for myself. And The Tale of the Frog Prince. Never heard of it, but for 25 cents, I saw Robin Williams right there. I don't know if you can see him that well, but yeah, that's him. Pretty crazy. Yeah, starring Robin Williams. Okay. Yeah, I've never heard of this. So for $1, we'll take it. We'll see if there's anything else sticking out to me here. There's a bunch of old school ones right here that are really cool. Children's Circle, where books come alive. Just a whole bunch of stories. There's one with Curious George, Madeline. Pretty neat stuff. It's back there. I think that's an old Sims game for the PC. Pretty cool. Here's a pretty cool back room over here. We have some puzzles. 2 missing pieces. So it's free. Got some more puzzles. Lots of them. Holy moly. Here we go, an HD DVD player. That's rare. I never see those. $5. With the remote. This actually might be something. I might grab that. $5. Why not? All right, they got lots of clothing here. I'm assuming the prices are great because the prices on everything else are great. I'm actually gonna leave that behind. It's missing the power cord and it's not worth as much as I thought, but to buy a whole new power cord, and I gotta get the HDMI for it, but the Sony Dream Machine at $4 is gonna be worth it. I just realized this place might be cash only and I only have like 25 bucks on me. Dang, the guns are going off like crazy. You could hear them. Let's see if we get a little closer. Oh, there we go. Cray cray. I don't really think I want to look at all the clothes. If I see something pop out, maybe, but nothing's really. FJ, FootJoy. It's kind of nice, but I'll leave that. These Harley, no brand. We'll leave those. I think we got lots of good stuff here. Very happy with it, but I might have to go get some cash. Yeah, nothing up there. All right, very cool. All right. Watkins Glen, that's kind of cool. Some cool little tin toys down here. Little, I don't even know what those are. Interesting. Very cool.
Yeah. What room, honey? Over there. I don't know.
All right. About to check out. I think we looked over everything. I'm sure there's other hidden things in here, but I'm very happy with what I got. I'm gonna try and get out with the cash I have. All right, we just left the Thrift Mart, and this is what I left with. I had to leave the DVD, the VHS tapes, and the Sony clock behind because I only had $28 in cash on me, and they're cash only, and there's no ATM around here, so I had to make do. This came to $27.12 or something, so I just skirted by. We got the Lego Hogwarts, the Lego Star Wars. Well, this isn't Lego, but it's like a puzzle. Like I said, I paid about $27. I'll pop up the total value of what I think I could get for everything up here on the screen. I think I did pretty darn good. Super excited for this stop. Yeah, I can't say too much more about it. I'm very happy. I wish it wasn't cash only, but you know, the tapes and the DVD weren't going to make a lot of money, so I guess this helped me cherry pick what I needed. Also, that place was so loud. It like echoes in there so much. I feel pretty sorry for the ladies that have to work in there all day and listen to that, because that was giving me a headache. And I was only in there for, what, 15 minutes or so? Oh, nuts.